already. We're doing Anvil only Mordekaiser. He just got a huge buff to his Q with fat AD ratio of 180%, rank 5. We're gonna take vulnerability, gain 25% crit, and item and damage over time effects can crit, so my passive can crit now. Now we're doing the Anvil only. We got the Orn. OG on the Orn. So we got 100 gold. 100 gold cheaper Anvils. We're against a Divine Intervention Cho'Gath and a Demon's Dance Scion.
Shit. Let's get it.
Try and cancel like the Scion Q if you see that. Grab them both. Oh, they have a Terragol, so I'm gonna back up. Just gonna hit the plant.
Yeah.
I'll give you one. Oh!
Dang,
I almost Bosco in that Scion Q. Okay, I'm cooking him. I see a couple crits here and there.
Yeah.
Please let me get this plat.
Him up. Yep. I
Oh, I got all three. Holy.
Top one.
Okay. Oh, we gotta kill this guy fast.
Oh.
Wow, of course. Okay, we got 250. Oh.
I'm gonna clutch this. Just trust.
Alright, trust.
Oh,
Oh, it's a resing. I'll just res. Focus on the res. Nice. Oh my god, I'm back.
But he's gonna res this guy back once we kill
Wait,
him.
I got the shield.
Tough, dude.
Let's go. Ooh, Draven for the Anvil only would be so clutch.
What do you want?
So I can get a bunch of... This way I get a bunch of golden prismatic Anvils. I can probably hit a fortune shard if Draven gets picked. Gain stat Anvils while hot streaking and increase the likelihood of higher tier stat Anvils. Aw, dude, these people voting for Kled. Get him out of here. Nice. Risky show.
Also means you get the shard holder earlier, no?
For what? Risky show?
Yeah, like to the Draven. Because like if it's higher tier, like
yeah, if we're hot streaking, it'll give Anvils.
no, but like since it gives you the likelihood of higher tier, does that also mean like higher
No.
shareholders are prismatic, right?
No, it can be silver, gold, or prismatic.
Oh,
You can find it with that. Alright, I just got a Might Shard 16 AD, 24 AP. You want a lot of those. Our Dream Augment is Master Duality, so we can stack infinite AD and AP really fast. So we want to get a lot of attack speed and get super tanky for that.
Mercs or Tabbies here?
Tabbies probably.
Tabs, yeah, I'm about to say Tabs probably.
Plated Ninja Tabbies.
Could have gone Ghost Walkers because I have the augment, but it's fine.
I get this plant in top left here.
I'm gonna get this one.
Oh, yep, pulled out of my Q.
Oh, I missed my E. If we knock this down on him,
Ooh.
Nice.
Is there a plant down here? Nah.
No, they took it. They're double knocked here? Okay, maybe they're not.
I'm just gonna play plant. I can maybe get all these.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire's in that one.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm gonna try and cook them both. Can they stand close to each other?
Ooh. Maybe we just take this shit down, yeah.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah.
Ooh, plants. There we go, nice. How's my vulnerability doing? 329 total damage so far. I need some crit anvils.
Yeah.
Ooh, a Reaper's Toll. That would crit with vulnerability, so I'm down to take that. It's not a Twilight's Edge, but this could cook. We do want a ton of attack speed.
It's like I have a Gargoyles, but should I roll for a Black Hole?
No, just take the Gargoyle. Because you have Apex Inventor, so like you can spam the shield on that. I think I'd take. Do I want this MR? It's not too much magic damage. I'll go AP.
Might be a
It's like it's
redemption
the
angle
magic
as well,
resist
though.
now.
Yeah, it might just be cool. That guy has a Cloak of Starry Night, so you gotta go on Twitch.
Yeah. I'll eventually kill him at Reaper Soul. Oh, I'm gonna get slammed into the wall here. Oh, I'm fine. Nice. I can mess him up.
Okay, I'm gonna mess this up.
He has no flash,
Oh.
he's dead. He's gonna auto this guy with the Reaper Soul and he'll die eventually.
Oh,
He's running. Wants to plant.
where are you going, little fella? Oh,
Not sure what his plan is here.
playing some
Oh,
res
he's gonna get
probably.
that. Any res though? The fire's getting close soon. I'm like he does no damage at the moment. Guy's so much MR from Cloak.
You are not getting this res off, boy.
Nah, he's not getting this res.
Oh,
On fire
shit.
cooking. Okay, he got the res.
Yeah, congratulations. One more takedown for us.
True. Ult this guy and yoink his stats. Alright, yoink. Let's go.
Dang.
Solid early game with Anvil only. I have 6 kills.
Nice. And a Reaper's Toll. Get that Marks Mage going.
There we go. I got a prismatic. I got critical strike damage, move speed, and minus 10 size, and 30% tenacity. How much CC's in this lobby? A good bit. I'll take the tenacity. It's a few teams
Yes.
that be super annoying.
This guy also bought a force of entropy, so
Oh yeah. Alright, I can buy a ton of anvils here. I'm gonna go with HP. I'm gonna go with Swiftness Shard. Ooh, Unbreakable Shard. Gold Unbreakable, and 14% crit. Peak stats. Brigands. Okay,
I'm
Boomerang
farming the hearts
Kench and
here.
Restless Restoration Poppy.
yes, sir.
Here we go. Wow, you gotta alter so I don't get knocked out by Kench.
That's fine.
Gonna take a while to kill this guy. Oh, he freaking hate you. What the hell? Wait, that Poppy was kind of nice because I'm over here. Wait, no, you can take this. Come top left. Okay, you're going crazy. Alright, I'm taking
Nah, I
this
just
then.
want... Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, it's not, bro. Why did you flash in like that?
Dude, I wanted the Heartsteel proc. She kept ducking it. I got something.
You rage flash for our still stack.
I rage flash for a Heartsteel stacker, bro.
Oh, leader's empty.
That's fine.
Oh, it's Panther spawning, supposedly. Oh, I think she died to fire. You can hit that. Alright, eventually my Reaper's Toll will reduce this guy's health by a lot.
You know? We're chilling, bro. I'm so like... whew.
Oh, hell nah.
Oh, no.
I actually need a flashback. That's crazy.
Oh my god, wow. It's fine.
Okay, nice. Sheesh.
Jesus. That was almost terrible.
We were in the fire for a little long there.
Yeah.
Panic and flash back in.
Dude, and it's like she still far more Heartsteel stacks than me, man. How?
Which is better.
I have a
And
curse
we got
dog,
some
man.
silvers. Ice Cold's not good because I'm not buying Rylai's this game. No items. I'll just take Flashbang so I can have my flash every round. Alright, vulnerability. All I hit Mordekaiser. It's a vibe. Just need more attack speed. I got 7 anvils so far. This next fight, we're against Outlaw's Grid All-Star with Frost Wraith and Vanish Scourging Vi. Lethality Vi.
Ooh, it's got the
Are you having
side.
fun with your Gargoyle Stone Plate spam?
Oh yeah, having a great time.
It's like a 4-second cooldown for 2000 shield. Oh, that's not who I wanted to ult. Alright, whatever. Holy, what is that long ass stun? Thought I took tenacity. Yeah, eventually we'll kill that guy, right?
Yeah. Should be able to. Let's go for flank.
Oh, these knockups are so annoying. Okay, nice, we got this.
Yeah.
This is taking forever.
Let me form hard shield. Let me form hard shield.
When's the proc?
Now.
My passive got it.
No, it's fine. I got the proc.
Oh, okay, big.
All right.
I can do armor here.
I will do a sunfire.
There we go, we
here.
got a fortune shard, big.
Big.
And I will take MR or attack speed. I'll do attack speed.
We're win
And I will
streaking. Where are the free
do
Anvils?
unbreakable. We got one last round.
Oh,
Let's see,
yeah.
max roll unbreakable. I'm gonna take that. They're against phenomenal stats, Fiddlesticks with Pyromancer, 3 burns, and then Tank Agent Celestial Body, Nasus with Black Hole Gauntlet.
Oh. Sorry.
Just go for the Fiddle.
Alright.
Nasus is just like pure HP.
Yep. Should be free.
Is the Fidel? Is he back
That's
here?
hiding. Oh, yeah, it's definitely hiding right there, yeah. I'm gonna go get smart skill procs.
Alright, I'm gonna slash on this guy.
Okay, I'm gonna go for plant stance.
Oh, he's ulting.
Come in.
Ooh, CC the mace up. How's the guy still Fiddle ulting? Wait, what? Did he ult twice? So confused.
Bro, can I move?
No, not against this team. I even have tenacity.
Jesus.
I have 44% tenacity, and it was still like super frustrating to play against that. But you could have blast combed over.
Oh, I could have blast combed over it. But he still would have CC'd me in the fire.
Yeah.
And they have a black hole gauntlet.
True.
Whatever.
They were OP.
Yeah, that's a tad bit fun though. Thoughts on a redemption?
Oh, another fortune shard. Double fortune shard. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take attack speed here. There we go, 25% crit. Huge. I'm at 64% crit. A Reaper's Toll is gonna go crazy.
Yes, sir. Big Reaper's Toll. 3k damage. Done so far.
Surprised we're first with Anvil only strat.
Yeah, legit. This is light work, man. Wait till we actually hit this shit. Wishful thinking, that's unfair.
4 burns on the brand.
The double knock.
Damn. Almost got him. That brand be melting you.
Dude, yeah.
Damn.
I mean, he says everything he needs to go against me. He's just 4 sources, 1 with the Pyromancer's effect. Wow, that was not even English. He has 4 sources of burn with a Pyromancer's cloak. Jesus, what did I say?
I don't even know, dude. This Nasus has 10,000 HP.
Twitch is just crying, but not really.
Wow, Nasus healed 1500 and got shields. The plant.
No. No. Mordekaiser with the Mordekaiser again?
Yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, I got 2 ults. Let's go. Alright, I need to hit a shard holder here. Oh, we got golds. I'll just take magic missile. I will take might shard. 52% shard holder. Nah, I don't think I need that. We have 60 health. I'm gonna do 2 random bonus stats. Ooh, I got 2 attack damage shards. Hey, that's big.
Ooh, okay.
It's good for my AD ratio.
Yep.
Oh, we have a buy round as well. Nice.
Oh,
We get
I
to
didn't-
scale a bit.
I guess, yeah. Wait, does it give me free heart steel stacks? It better.
Nope.
Wait, really?
Nah. No Hearthstone stacks for free. I think it should just give like 80 or 100 or something.
Yeah, legit.
It's a buy round.
Because I know, like, when it's Swain, like, it gives you some birds.
Yeah. It sucks when you have like stuff like takedown or like a quest where you need kills.
Yeah, yeah.
With Tengenjin.
The
Nasus flew
is
for a
gone.
while. Can they kill the Fidel stick? Looks like nah. Do we have anti-heal yet?
I'm gonna buy it after this.
Already, Anvil time. Like
Prismatic
it's
time.
16 magic pen.
Well, I hit the Twilight Edge.
Nice. Shit, I'm just gonna keep getting tankier in case I do get Master Duality.
Yeah, yeah. Makes sense.
Attack speed or health. Say one
I
attack
couldn't
speed.
buy the healing reduction, I ain't gonna lie.
66% shard holder. I think I can get something better, so I'll do 2 random. Might shard and
Okay,
health
good.
shard. Then I'll take this might shard. I will take this 20 armor. I should take the crit. I can take the crit here. Alright, now I have like more crit than I need. Okay, the vulnerability crits with my passive and the Reaper's Toll. Let's get it.
Oh, I think you have the you have the Iverns. You should be free.
Okay. Like I cannot find the Ivern.
Oh.
No Daisy in here. Huh?
Where'd that guy go?
Oh, I'm getting cooked.
Yo, you're right there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, they're dead. If I can get this plant, I can live. We're good CC. Very nice. Okay, my passive is activated. We're auto attacking.
Heart seal? Oh, no.
Nice.
Easy.
Damn, a 3rd shard holder. Let's go. I'm rich.
What'd you get?
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant like a fortune shard, not shard holder.
Oh.
I got my 3rd
Nice.
fortune shard.
Yeah, wow, so that's 1,500 gold a round.
Yeah. I got fitness lethality shard from that. 78% shard holder. I'll take that. That's really good.
Oh, 70, yeah, 70 is really good.
70 is so
Nice.
goated. Take this unbreakable. I can buy a shoe. I'll get mercs.
Okay,
Need some
okay.
mercs versus the Fidel stick. They have 76% tenacity, so it's pretty busted.
Pretty good.
My tenacity gets like juice from the shard holder. It's pretty cool. Against the Nasus, the Wither's gonna be annoying. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm withered. Are you charging the fiddle right now? Because I'm on top of them.
Yeah, wait, I'm on the fiddle.
I need to ult this guy, just kill him to death. There we go.
Nice. Oops.
I gotta get this. I need that. I need that. I need all.
I'm gonna take that. Yeah, oh, my fault. I took one.
I need my ult back. I get cooked over here.
Oh.
Ooh, nah, my
You got
damage
it,
is
you
too
got
OP. Need to auto attack. Okay, maybe I don't want to like cook in his black hole gauntlet though.
Yes, you can get out.
Alright, I need to walk out. I'm trolling.
Just
Yeah,
walk
I can
out.
get this
Just walk
bottom
out.
right plant.
That's a 1 Oh my god.
Just gonna ult here and steal some of his stats. Ooh.
Oh wow.
That was
It's a
fun.
lot easier with this ult, huh?
Yeah. That was fun. Just beat the shit out of that guy. Oh, no master duality this game. I guess we're gonna light him up. Light him up it is. Still have 6 rerolls, so I guess I'll buy a prismatic item if I get 4k gold one of these rounds. Alright, time to buy a bunch of anvils. I'm gonna get AP. I'm gonna get 2 random shards. I got 2 crit shards. I already had max crit, so that converted to like adaptive. Go swiftness shard, and I'm gonna go 2 random shards. Armor and lethality. 57 lethality for my auto attacks. Let's go.
That's a lot. Oh wow, this guy knocked me into the fucking pillar.
Fruit.
I forgot it one shot, so if you do that.
Change these pillars.
He knocked me into it
Holy.
again, bro.
Eh? Wait, how does that fall on me? Oh, you're still alive. Can you die like down here, please? So I can res you easier.
Oh, I'm trying.
Like as close to the middle as you can. Oh, you forced the entropy, stupid.
Oh, I have the surgery on death. I forgot. I died right in the middle of the map.
Yeah, my auto attacks are doing insane damage.
Nice.
Oh, that's so annoying. Yeah, I cancelled his ult. Nice.
Dang.
The auto attacks.
Huge, bro.
I have 21k damage on my vulnerability now. Holy, I just got so much money. Alright, I want to take... I want armor. Magic resist. I'll do more magic resist. I'm gonna buy a random prismatic item.
Okay.
I can also build a the Andrews. I got a pyromancer's cloak. That's pretty busted. I think that's good with my vulnerability, so I guess I'll take that. I'll get a couple shards. Want more attack speed. Or magic pen. I barely have magic pen. I have the Andrews after this too. The OP.
Who
My
you got?
god.
Oh, I got the Nasus.
I have the Fidel stick. He's just hiding.
Oh,
I'm killing him. That was easy. I just auto this guy to death. Oh shit, he spawned the black hole. I can't get out of it.
I don't have it yet.
Okay, nice. I got none of those. Oh, I W too early there. Oh, I live. Let's go.
Nice.
My
We're
pyromancer did
frying.
2k. Look at the Andrews here. Holy, I have so much money from the triple fortune shards.
Legit.
Okay, more attack speed, yeah. And more armor and
Dang.
MR. Need more MR. More MR. Holy, yeah, 500 MR. You want magic pen here. And we're freaking OP, let's go.
Yo, this is it. Got the black hole gauntlet.
I got 3.0
And-
attack speed per second.
Dude, it's permanent
Insane
black
bonks.
holes with this shit.
Insane bonked build.
I'm just gonna stay away from the brand and wait it out.
Alright, wait, he's in here too. Yeah, I need help, bro. I'm fighting them both in the death realm.
Wait, how?
Because of my ult. Oh, nice, they're dead. If I ult them early, like we're both in it. And then like the first mortal ended, so then you disappeared again.
Oh.
Okay, should I get another prismatic? Yeah. Buckle Gauntlet, nah. Realty, nah. Sword of Divine, probably good. Yeah, that's really good. Hell yeah. Alright, more attack speed. Magic Pen or AP? I'll do AP. Then some haste. The Wither. Oh, the Wither expired because of my tenacity.
Okay, I'm getting fucked by that guy.
Nowhere to go.
I don't even know what that
Nowhere
is.
to go, bud. Oh, I'm just cooking him. I'm just gonna stand on this guy. Holy. Wait, I kind of want to give one.
Oh, this is bigger than mine. I don't like that. No, I'm putting another one down. Oh. Oh, what
I'm gonna
the
give
hell?
one.
Give one what?
But give him one, bro.
Oh, give him one.
Yeah, give him one.
Oh.
So I have 3 fortune shards. I can get a lot more stats next round for fun. I need to experience this fun one round longer. Nah, don't res me, just die.
Oh. I'm like, you know, we'll just let him get some more stacks. Fuck it.
Alright, yeah, we can make him tank here. Give him more stacks.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I refuse to die.
Literally. Oh, I have 20 kills. Alright, I have 5,000 gold. I want to just like get more Anvils, I guess. Let's get a Might Shard here. I wonder if I should get a Rabadon. Ooh, this 15 shard is awesome. How much do I have with a Rabadon? 932 AP. Oh yeah, and then I can also go Gunblade.
Ooh,
I'll go Rabadon. I forgot about Gunblade. I think I would change in my build though, except like get rid of boots for Gunblade.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Hey guys.
What?
What's up? Alright, he can apparently walk off screen. Oh, I missed my E on him. Oh, I missed it again. Holy, bro. I'm missing all my E's, bro. Okay, it's fine.
I'm getting fried.
I got him.
Nice.
I was getting fried by the Black Hole Gauntlet, dude. I was like, wait. Okay, 70,000 vulnerability damage, 18,000 Reaper Soul damage, 8.8k on Pyromancer, and 10k on the Andres. And probably a lot more from my passive. See how much total damage we did. Ooh, 154,000 damage. Alright, well that was a sick Anvil only microwave run. We were just microwaving them and autoing them with true damage. Well, I want to see how much true damage I did. I'm gonna go to a match history and look at the damages. Alright, true damage dealt 34,000. Okay, that's pretty nutty. Oh, yeah, I also had Magic Missile doing true damage, I think. Alrighty, GG's guys. Body the like button, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment down below. And watch the game too to help support the video. We had 40,000 total gold that game as well. GG's. I have Can't Touch This, Infernal Conduit, and Goliath. We get rid of Can't Touch This. Eureka, maybe? Or like a bunch of knockups. Get rid of Infernal Conduit, Fey Magic, nah. 30 Charms, Slow Cooker, nah. Circle of Death. My healing is really small, so nah. That Dancer, nah. Alright, I guess I'll do Eureka. Do like AP Recon. 22% attack speed or armor? I'll do the armor. Like Guardian Shroud. I have 69 armor, big. We are accelerating sorcery. Permacute Aatrox. Is that a Goliath Graves? And an Earthquake Ridley. He's a big boy. The double knockup. Oh, I'm getting Earthquaked. 4 hits? Fuck. Nice try.
Damn, that earthquake does a lot of damage early.
It did 1100 to us. It's because we were just like fighting in the middle here. Machine proc.
Accelerating sorcery will pop off later.
Yeah.
How'd Mika and them do?
Champs are they?
Shyvana. You got Mystic Punch on Shyvana.
That's cool.
And dual wield Azir. Damn.
Yeah, that's OP. Maybe Swain. You want to play slow anyways. With your accelerating sorcery, you can just like pick up the ravens.
Yeah. Aatrox is such a good champ for this too.
Yeah. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully it's not Trundle. Why is there so many people on Trundle?
They hate us. Alistar.
Alright, All-Star is okay.
The unrivaled Alistar roars above the crowd. May his fortitude be yours.
Alright, we go City Boost, got 66 haste. It's good until I get more AP.
Cooldown is so long.
Yeah. Against Wisdom of Ages, Anvil, Warwick, and Mystic Punch and Zaw.
Victory is earned by the decisive.
I'm gonna hit this in Zaw, I think.
Engage!
Yeah, I'm being a menace versus Zinza. The knockups. Okay, cool, I got 2 of those. Oh, he queued through my W. Okay, nice. What was
He
your,
missed his ult.
yeah. What was your cooldowns like there? You had like 400 haste.
Oh, like 2 seconds.
Nice. I have Chemtank and Dragonheart. What do?
These suck. I'm probably taking Prowler's Claw.
Yeah, you can prowl. The Audi Aatrox is pretty nuts.
Yeah, I heard it's pretty good. I might try that.
If I do Chemtank so like my engages can't be like blocked.
Yeah, that's good. I hate when my knockup gets cancelled.
Yeah. Like now Janek you can't like cancel me. Against Omnisoul,
Fuck, dude,
Dragonheart,
you're high
Udyr. Oh no, he's gonna have Elder this game.
Fuck. That sucked.
And Anvil Janna. Oh, I could knock him up there.
Keep to safety.
Goblin.
I haven't done any damage yet.
It's a revolution.
Yeah, I have no damage either versus team. Hit Janna maybe? Maybe we can kill her? Oh my.
Oh my gosh, that's
Nope.
terrible. I definitely would have killed her too. I was just about to get in there and ult.
Yeah. Alright, I need AP, so what should I buy here? It's a good AP item for me. Cosmic Drive, 35 haste. Do I just slam a Rabadon? It's not that much AP though. Eh. Alright, we're gonna slam the Rabadon just for more haste, I guess. And it's Mystic Punch, Shavana, and Dual Wield Bazir. He's got Mirage Blade, so his Ease a low cooldown. Let you hit all the plants.
Magic is like fire. For us,
I bring you a heal. Ooh, we got the Bazir. Oh, I slowed her down. Nice.
Poor Mika.
Yeah.
I feel bad. I don't want to kill her.
You have to. You must kill our friends. Or they kill us.
Why'd she get a heart steal?
She must be a big dragon.
True.
Mordekaiser be bonking.
Take some time to wipe off the blood, sweat, and tears.
Boring.
Nice. Some silvers. I got Tormentor, Infernal Soul, and Executioner. I think a Tormentor. Like the sound of like the knockup. Playing some burns. Like 1,000 damage per round. Against Doomsayer, Tinkage, and Urgot. Wow. Dreadbringer, stats, Mordekaiser.
I got freedom. I got a limit. I got the cause I am dying. That's me.
Round dipping. No, I was about to give you a heal.
Let the fires begin!
Nice.
Hell yeah.
My healing's not bad.
I'm kind of just beating the shit out of him.
Yeah. Alrighty. Do I build now? It's gonna hit a it's gonna slam a Shadow Flame. Oh no, it's a Jeweled Gauntlet Silas.
All the fighter items got buffed in the recent patch too.
All the fighter items?
Yeah, every fighter item got buffed. I'm gonna get a Spear of Shojin.
Your heads are on the block.
Shadowrunner, Jeweled Gauntlet Silas, and Giant Slayer Executioner Yunar with Reaper's Toll. Oh snap.
I keep it. Alright, I need to change something in ARAM or in Arena. I need to swap my flashes because I keep hitting the wrong key. I have them on different buttons for some reason in ARAM and Arena. Makes
Oh,
it
interesting.
up. I don't know why. Whatever, I just gotta lock in. I kept trying to like flash 3Q or They won. Fuck yeah. There's the Joe Gauntlet silenced.
Okay, I got blue speed size, or blue size, gain health and size are on the event. That maybe.
The Empire giveth.
Hell yeah.
More AP, I need more haste. Or against Tap Dancer Jin and Clay Magic Timo. I'm just gonna run at them. I don't wanna let Timo set up.
Attack!
Shit, flash on.
Well, they had me CC immune forever.
And oh, the polymorph.
How did he root me so long?
W has like an insanely long route.
I combo broke though.
Oh,
It must have been the Fey magic with the Jin root. I
Yeah.
don't know. I hit it. I've never been root. That was so weird. I got combo broken off a Jin root.
did he hit you with 2 of them?
I don't know. He must have hit a flower and double hit me. That has to be it.
Yeah.
Fuck. We almost brought that back with my Omni Vamp, and then I got fucking polymorphed again.
Yeah, me too. I got polymorph there.
From the shadows, Talon watches. Who is cutthroat enough to catch
Holy
his
fire for an
eye?
extra burn, I guess. I have Holy Fire and Tormentor. Need to hit a Pyromancer. This has been a nice Infernal Conduit game. Alright, we're against the Earthquake Riven and Goliath Graves. Should I buy the anti-heal? Should I get the Merlot? Or is it just better, like, should you get Chainsword?
I'll buy Chainsword.
Alright.
Clash!
If it don't get out of control, it ain't a party.
Coming back. Oh, they exploded
I
you.
almost fucking one-shot it. It
Bye,
almost killed him
comrade.
off that pillar.
I trust my lady. I'll just put that there. That's a good place.
Alright, I got this, don't worry. Totally winnable. My champ can totally win those. What a slam. Random prismatic here. Oh, nice. I got the Pyro Monster's Glow perk. So perfect. It's got 3 burns on it from my augments. Hell yeah. I just need the Andres for a 4th burn. Could do Sunfire too, maybe. Or Maligma.
Maligma.
Or against stats on stats, Mystic Punch and Zaw with Mirage Blade, and Anvil only Warwick. I don't have any magic pens, so that's kind of rough for this team. Oh, I wrecked that guy. Okay, my burn damage was kind of nutty there.
Yeah, it was.
The universe loves me.
Nice, the juke on his Hellas is losing. He doesn't have Infinity Edge yet, he's trolling. Fortune Shard, heal and shield power, tenacity. I can heal and shield power, Fortune Shard. What do?
Do I hit this 25 heal and shield with my 45 Omni Mail?
Yeah, that sounds nice.
Or a Fortune Shard?
Let's both do the heal and shield power.
Oh, okay. Maybe roll Parasitic Relationship.
Reading. Alright, we got 2 lives left. We're getting Sword Divine Janna with Gamba Anvil with haste, and then vulnerability Udyr. Alright, the Udyr is scary. He's Elder Dragon.
He is Elder. We don't have anti-heal.
Oh, nice. Up the pillar on the Janna. Oh, she's full health again. Our CC is pretty annoying here, actually. They got a mana soon. Oh, big!
Oh, that was massive.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think they could have killed me.
Nah. We were both healing and shielding like so much.
Yeah, they threw with the no anti-heal.
True. I have symbiotic mutation. Oh, that would be really good. Yeah, I'm definitely taking that. I can get your exciting sorcery now, nice. I have it.
Wait, I have Apex Inventor. That'd be huge with your thing.
Yeah, if only I had that. Just went with symbiotic because I can take your exciting sorcery and that was great. I guess
Yeah,
Gore
that's
Drink
good.
is like something.
Yeah, you have a lot of burn.
Hell yeah. Now we're against dual wield minion monsters here. Firebrand,
That's
it's pretty
good.
OP. I'm gonna engage on his ear.
They underestimate my
He can't ult me away. Oh, I've been ulted away. Backing on him. Don't let him play the game. Perfect. Our healing is ridiculous. That's like we're just like perma knocking them up.
Dude, I can like infinite prowler spell people. I'm gonna
500
get a
haste.
Hellfire. I'm gonna get a hatchet.
ADW cooldown is 1.6. Pretty nutty. 15-second ults.
Don't leave nothing. Bring it on.
500 haste for Kron goes crazy. I'm kind of scaling.
Huge, huge. Okay, we lock in.
We lock in.
We roll prismatic. We get a Hemomancers or a Twin Mass. I'm taking Hemo.
Pretty sick. I think I need to go Void Staff here.
Oh my gosh. 6% off.
Maybe a Perplexity, they're so tanky. She's decent this game. I'll do Perplexity.
Oh, you rolled my Apex. You're gonna have.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
gonna pop that so many times.
Wait, that's so sick. This is the best like Apex Symbiotic
Pay attention to
mutation
your
every.
temp too. What's that, like 3 seconds?
Yep. It's like a 4-second cooldown. Pyromancer's gonna go crazy. Going in here. Oh, I fucked it up. Oh,
I'm kiting out the Urgot ult.
I'm dead. See, you can res me. I believe. Oh, nice. We're so back. Oh, I couldn't heal you in time. Damn, okay.
No.
The round is over.
They're too big. Oh, I have gore drink now. Oh. Let's sell boots and we'll get. Yeah, the Andres or a prismatic item. What do? I'll do the Andres or burns for Pyromancer. I will juice. Some magic pen here for sure. Nice. And I tried your accelerating sorcery again.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
When you took your ult, he gets like a ton of Omni Vamp, I think. Yeah, my Pyromancer is kind of burning him.
Every road leads someplace.
Oh yeah, Reaper told.
They will see me. My dance.
Nice, we're 500 haste now.
Yeah, I'm big.
Alright, I'll send it soon. I can like wait for the fire twin close so it's like easy engage.
When I get sad,
Like he's 500 and then like burns.
Look at that damage.
Nice. That's clean.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Okay, nice. I'm accelerating sorcery again, dude. Let's go. It's the most clutch symbiotic mutation ever. You have a Byron?
What should I'm selling this this shit. What do I replace this shit with?
Prismatic?
Divine Sunder?
Yeah, Divine Sunder is really good. Or Sunder
Oh,
Sky.
yeah. Yeah.
They're not that tanky though. Might be get something better. Yeah, I just got some nice stat anvils. Oh
Oh,
wait,
yeah,
I'm gonna
I
lose the
could-
accelerating sorcery.
I could roll Sundered Sky with my Apex. It'd be fucking massive.
Yeah. $7,000 HP raised with 888 AD. Holy crap. Leviathan dematerialized. My god, this Graves damage is terrifying. Ooh.
My gosh, the ice steal. Damn.
Rip.
Almost.
She kited that perfectly, she might have won. Okay, damn. Extreme sorcery is now Allah's great. Just like dash you a bunch of times to get tanky.
magic, we have no children.
Alright, let's do 2 random shards. Armor and unbreakable shard. Okay, nice. That gives me a 300 armor now. Maybe I won't get one shot by them. Surely with over 300 armor, I don't get one shot this round.
Surely.
Grace has 1000 AD now. Damn it.
Surely his 30-sec Demon King.
My god.
Yes, it is.
Oh no. Oh no, they got you.
What killed me? Oh, sure, fucking wave.
Ooh, disgusting.
That's not bad for a bravery though.
Yeah, not bad for a bravery. We only got second. My score is 888.
And you did a lot of damage. All that shit picked up and you hit that pyro.
Yeah. Pyro went crazy. That Graves was disgusting. I'm just a bravery recon, man. This guy gets 1000 AD. 30 stack Demon Kings. Alrighty, GG guys. Hope you enjoyed. Body that like button. Subscribe if you do. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.